Hi everyone, welcome to Nano Elearn and back to Git Tutorial series. In our previous session, we have learnt about how to add files to staging area. In today's video, I'll talk about how to commit all the staged changes to the local repository. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For clear information on how to commit all the staged changes to the local repository along with the practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. How to commit changes to the local repository. These are the steps we need to follow. It actually means committing all the staged changes made to the local repository. For this, we need to navigate to the project folder, right click on the folder, then select Git Bash here option to check the status first. Then it opens the Git Bash screen. Now to check the status, type the command git status. The status displays all the staged files that need to be committed with the status message saying changes to be committed. Now to commit the changes, type the command git commit -m followed by commit message. Git commit -m followed by the message as commit changes for the first time. Now, how to check the details of the commit? For this, now check the status of repository using the command git status again. Now the status says nothing to commit. It means that all the staged changes made to the local repository has been committed. How to check the details of the commit? Before that, make sure to check the status of the repository using the command git status. The status says nothing to commit, which means that all the changes made to the local repository has been committed. Now to check the details of the commit, use the command git log. This command fetches all the details of the commit just made. First line shows set of alphabets and numbers which indicates a hash key, also known as commit ID. Second line shows details of author who has made this commit. Third line shows date and time at which this commit was made. But in real projects, while we are working, there will be a lot of commits that will be made. In such cases, it becomes difficult to find out a particular commit. For this, we need to use the command git log -1 line to display all the commits with each commit in a single line. Now, let us try to understand all this using the practical demo. For this, open the local repository folder, right click on the folder, select Git Bash here. It opens the Git Bash screen. Now, let's check the status of the repository first. For this, we need to use the command git status. It displays all the changes to be committed. Now, to commit the changes, we need to type the command. For this, type the command git commit -m followed by the commit message enclosed in double quotes. Now hit enter. See that all the above changes has been committed. Now how to check the details of this commit? For this, we need to use the command git log. Git log command displays all the details of the commit. In the details displayed, the first line shows the commit ID, which is also known as hash key. It is a combination of alphabets and numbers. The second line shows the details of author who has made this commit. The third line displays the date and time at which this commit was done. And the last line displays the commit message which was used while committing the changes. While we are working in a real project, there will be a lot of commits that will be made. In such cases, it becomes difficult to find out a particular commit. For this, we can use the command git log -1 line to display the commits with each commit in a single line. You see here, it displays a short hash key, which is a 7-digit part, which is the first 7-digit code from the actual hash key, along with a commit message. Quick recap of all the git commands that have been covered in today's session. The first one is git status. This command is used to check the status of repository. Then git commit -m followed by commit message. This command is used to commit all the staged changes to the local repository. Followed by git log command. It is used to display all the commits made to the repository. Then git log -1 line is used to display all the commits with each commit in a single line. These are some useful URL links for Git download. That's all for today's session. Happy learning. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.